Alright, let's talk about protecting your brand. So you've got an amazing name, slogan, logo, or phrase that represents your business, and now you want to make sure no one else can use it. That's where trademarking comes in. It might sound a little intimidating at first, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you understand the process. In this video, I'll walk you through how to trademark just about anything in 2025 step by step. I'll also show you how Tailor Brands can make the process faster, easier, and stress-free. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to secure your brand's identity and keep it safe from copycats. And without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, why should you even bother with trademarking? Well, think about it. Your brand is the core of your business. It's what sets you apart from the competition. Without a trademark, you're leaving your brand vulnerable to being copied or misused. Imagine spending months or even years building your reputation, only for someone else to swoop in and use your name, logo, or slogan to confuse your customers or profit off your hard work. A trademark gives you the legal power to stop that from happening and ensures your brand stays uniquely yours. Now here's the good news. Almost anything that identifies your business can be trademarked, whether it's your business name, a creative logo, a catchy slogan, or even a unique phrase. You can secure it as your intellectual property. Trademarks aren't just for big companies. They're essential for small businesses and entrepreneurs too. If it's something that represents your brand and sets you apart in the market, it's worth trademarking. Filing a trademark might sound complex, but let me break it down into simple steps. First, you need to do a comprehensive trademark search. This step is crucial to make sure no one else is already using the name, logo, or phrase you want to trademark. You can use the USPTO United States Patent and Trademark Office database to check for existing trademarks. Next, you'll need to determine the class your trademark belongs to. Trademarks are categorized based on the type of goods or services they cover. For example, a clothing brand would fall into a different class than a tech company. Choosing the correct class is essential to ensure your trademark is valid. Once you've done your research, you can file your application through the USPTO website. This involves providing detailed information about your trademark, including proof of how it's being used in your business. You'll also pay a filing fee, which starts at $250 per class of goods or services. After submitting your application, the USPTO will review it. This process can take a few months, so patience is key. If everything checks out, your trademark will be approved and officially registered. Now, if all of that sounds like a lot of work, don't worry. This is where Tailor Brands can make things much easier. Instead of navigating the trademark system on your own, Tailor Brands guides you through the entire process step by step. They handle the trademark search for you, ensuring your idea is available before you even start. Their platform makes it easy to input your details and file your application without having to decipher confusing legal terms. Plus, they double-check everything to make sure your application is accurate, complete, and ready for approval. With Tailor Brands, you save time, reduce the risk of mistakes, and avoid the stress of figuring it all out on your own. So, should you file your trademark yourself or use Tailor Brands? It depends on your situation. If you're comfortable with legal paperwork and have the time to figure out the details, the DIY route could work for you. But if you'd rather skip the hassle and ensure your trademark is filed correctly the first time, Tailor Brands is the better option. It's perfect for busy entrepreneurs who want to protect their brand without spending hours on the process. Now, trademarking your business name, slogan, logo, or phrase is one of the smartest moves you can make to protect your brand in 2025. Whether you choose to file it yourself or let Tailor Brands handle it for you, the important thing is to take action and secure your intellectual property. If you're ready to get started, I've included a link in the description and pinned comment to help you begin your trademark journey with Tailor Brands. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to trademark, or if you have any questions about the process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building and protecting your business. Thanks for watching, and here's to safeguarding your brand in 2025.